to check this mirror to the left.
Yeah.
Have a look at this lady. She is behind us at the moment, so we can make use of the space that we're given. We can drive into the cycle lane because it's a broken white line. So you're just going to continue straight here. Now notice the difference, it's a solid white line, which means there's absolutely no entry in there.
There aren't loads of buses either, which makes it easier.
And now that we've passed the gentleman, if we need to for this bus, we are going to check our mirror and move back in.
Definitely needed to for that one.
Yeah, make use of all the space that you're given.
Yeah.
That includes the cycle lane, should you need to. But please make sure it's safe. We do not want to be knocking these poor guys off their bike. Coming
It's a bit awkward.